Hello everyone, Ray from Babco here. Frequently asked question, what if I see oil in the bottom of the post of my 2-post lift? Well, there's a couple of things that could be happening here. If it's a brand new lift, it's very unlikely, unless it's packing oil, which is another story. Where it's going to show up is inside the post, right behind this pulley here. And it can be caused by a couple of things. It can be caused by the hydraulic cylinder failing. Oil's going to go down. It's not going to go anywhere else. It will pool here. It can be the cylinder failing or the fittings at the bottom. The way these things work is the chrome stays there and the black part of the cylinder goes up and lifts this carriage. So if these fittings are loose or broken or have been struck by something, they can leak. And so look for that. You can see it by looking in here or looking from behind. Especially from behind, you can see that. And it wouldn't hurt to put a wrench on that and just tighten it if you see something coming from that. That's the most common thing. The other thing is the hydraulic lines run up the inside of the lift. So you can take your finger and feel up from the cylinder here. I've got it even just this high now. If the line is wet, you're looking up, not down for your leak. It'll collect down there. It'll present pretty much the same way, but it's coming from a different place. There's unions up there and there's the lines up there. There's a chance that something's wrong up there. Just start going up and up from both sides until you find a dry spot. You'll likely find your problem.